Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on this 2017 Hyundai Accent. This has the 1.6 liter GDI engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. First thing we need to do is pop our hood. Then we need to push this lever over and lift the hood. Then you can pop the prop rod down here. It goes in this little hole right here. Now we're going to pop these tabs right here back. And then you can lift up on this cover here, pull it out a little bit. And there's our air filter right there. So we're going to lift this up and pull it out. Let's see, we got a bunch of crap in here. So we're going to change this filter. I'm going to take my shop vac and just suck all this junk out of the box here. Now that we have all that loose debris vacuumed out of the box there, we're going to reinstall our new air filter. I will have one of these linked down in the description below where you can get one on Amazon if you'd like. So it just slides right in there and sets in place. And then we are going to make sure that these tabs are underneath these clips right here. So we're going to push down, make sure they're both on both sides going into those slots. Then we can push it down, push our clips back on here. And there you've installed your new air filter. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.